step, I'll be taking a white A4 size sheet which I folded it into half. And now what we are going to do is, I'm going to take a strip of paper and here I'm going to draw a heart. So let me tell you the measurements of this paper which I've taken. So this paper is of 13 into 6 centimeters, and now I'm drawing a rough heart like this, and now we're going to cut it out like this. You can use any rough paper. Cut it out. Now we have to trace 3 hearts here. First we'll do the position, like one here, and one here. So we will trace them like this. First I've traced one in the center. Now I will trace one of it here like this. Like this. I've traced one more, and here also trace one heart like this in just front of this. So you have to trace the heart like this. So like this we've traced it, and now you can also erase the extra part in tracing. So now we've drawn these 3 hearts. Now what you have to do is, we will insert the scissor. First what you have to do is just hold it and insert the scissor like this inside it, and now just cut these 3 hearts out like this. Gently hold the heart and cut all 3 of them out like I'm doing. Like this, just cut on the boundaries. Don't push the whole scissor inside, otherwise it can tear a bit. So like this, I'll be cutting both these 2 hearts also. Like this, the first heart is cut. Now I'll cut the second heart. So this way I've cut the second heart, and now finally I'll be cutting the third heart. So like this, I am finally cutting the third heart. So like this, all the 3 hearts are cut, and now a bit of the pencil lines are left on the boundaries, so we'll just erase them. And now for the next step, what you have to do is, we will again take a sheet of paper. Now I've taken a sheet of 9 into 6 centimeters here like this. You can take a rough sheet only, and now you have to draw a heart here. Now I'm drawing a heart here. This will be the size of the heart. You can also cut this from a waste sheet of paper. This will be the size of the other heart which we've cut. And now I'm taking a strip of green paper. That's a soothing green shade. I love this. So I'm tracing here. Like this, of the smaller size, you have to make some hearts. I have traced one heart. Now a bit here. I'll trace the second heart. You will need a full green sheet for making this card. Like, it's your choice which color you are taking. I'm taking a green. So like this, I've traced 2 cards. Now I'll cut them out, and you need total 10 hearts like this. So we'll cut out 10 hearts like this. So guys, now for this step, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take these 4 hearts, and now I'm gonna take my Fevicol, and I'm gonna take 1 heart, and I'm gonna apply some glue on it, and just press it, and paste this in the center, like this. Now what you have to do is, you will need only 3 hearts for this step. Now I will take 1 heart, fold it into half like this, and after folding it into half, some part will be left, so you can just trim it out. I like making even outs. So now what I'm gonna do is, you have to paste it here like this. So I'm gonna apply some glue on this part and now just paste it and make this part go pop up. Now I'm taking one more heart, fold this into half, we'll paste also here. So this time we will apply glue on this part. We will press it like this and let these pop up like this. So we will make this pop-upping effect on both of these also, like this. So now, as I told you, I've sticked all of them here like this and we open them like this. So we just press them. Now what you have to do is, I'm taking a rough sheet and now what we will do is we will keep this like this and we have to make a boundary for this here like this. Make a thin boundary like this on all these three like this. So this way I've made the boundary for this, and now what I'm gonna do is, so here I cut a letter M, so I'm just gonna apply some glue on that letter. Like this, I'll apply some glue, stick it here on the edge of the paper. Just stick this M a bit up like this. Now from the small template only I've cut a heart, and now what I'll do is I'll fold this heart into half here like this. Now I'm gonna cut a smaller heart out of this. Now we'll get this part, so I'll stick this here, make a heart shape, just stick this heart here, and now you have to make one more M. I've made it here, and now you have to stick this M also. Some glue, so this way the mom is written, and now I'm gonna be writing here you are the best and you're their mom. So now what you have to do is, for the next step, I'm gonna take a scale and a permanent marker and just make these lines like this here. We'll draw these lines like this here, and now here with a green pen I will draw a bow, and then like this to make it a bunch of balloon, and now just color this up like this, and here we will write Happy Mother's Day like this. So like this, a very beautiful and pretty greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was the video, and I'll now meet you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.